Do I need to speak? No.
A bit left. Okay, that's good enough. Okay. Welcome back to Kali Gasby Anis Vietnam. This is Phúc and this is
Guy from Espada Silangan.
in the first videos that we learned about the 6 basic strikes that is so simple. So now we're gonna have some practical contact with the sticks. Okay, just get into position. Okay, from here we're gonna do the X strike. It's just easy. Go. Okay, so when you do the X strike with your partner, remember you just aim for the head. Don't go down because it's too dangerous for the beginners. And you always have the same angle of the strike. Don't try to change it. Just try to stick with the basic thing only. When you master it, then you can change whatever you want. But for now, because you have your partner, you want to keep you both safe, then we just do it slow and easy. From here, in my recommendation that you should not flick your wrist. Just try to make the cut here. It would have you reduce the power and you both gonna get along with the impact of the sticks from the right to the left and from the left to the right. So now we're gonna go to the horizontal strike 3 and 4. I'm gonna aim to Guy's head like this way and this way, and you can see how he blocked my strikes. He just have the stick vertical. Okay, you can have your hand on the stick or beside, it's okay. Okay, can you move along? Okay, just get back. You might want to move along because you don't want to stay still and block for this one. So you block and you change your movement at the same time. Okay, that's the horizontal strike. Now how about strike from below? The 5 and 6. Okay, for this one it's a bit dangerous because the strike starts from below. Your side is not so clear, so you can go lower so you and your partner can go for the same thing. Okay, so when you get used to how to block, you can go to a higher level. So one will hold 2 sticks, so the other can change the strike. It's easy. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Dialogue, dialogue, horizontal, horizontal. Okay, take it slow for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great work. So that's the techniques we want to introduce to you. Hope you guys can spend at least 5 minutes per day to master it. If you have any questions, just comment below. Share, like, and subscribe if you like the video. See you next time. Phuket.